Hi guys, Iron Sleek is happy to show you today how to assemble a tall board support assembly. It comes with a hardcore tall, as always made of steel. Our brackets are made of steel. A washer plate, 2x4, a catch for a ground stake in the back. So I'll show you how this all goes together. Tools you'll need is a power driver with a Phillips tip and a 9/16 socket. We're going to start by assembling the ground stake catch. It's important to keep this flush to the bottom. Put in your first screw, second screw, nice and flush. Now you can switch out your Phillips bit to your 9/16 socket. You don't want to line this up even. You want to line it up just a finger in front of the edge of the 2x4. Don't forget your washer plate. Start with the middle hole so you can swivel to get it straight. And then we'll go to the back hole. And finally, your front hole. Check your bolts are tight. They are. And there you have it. The ground stake will go in the back, and this will go in the front and attach to your boards, nice and solid.